How to draw Devon from Turning Red. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the nose in the center of the page. For the first step of drawing the nose, we're going to begin by drawing a shape that looks similar to a big U. Now on the inside bottom of the nose that we just drew, we're going to draw two small upside down U-like shapes for the nostrils. Nice start. Now right beneath the nose, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the mouth. The mouth will appear as if it is open. And on the roof of the mouth, we're going to draw two big teeth. Well done! Now let's go to the roof and let's draw those teeth that I previously mentioned. Now once we're all done with that step, the next step will be to draw the outline of the eyes. Along with the inside of the eyes, we're going to go right above the nose that we previously drew together on the left hand side, and we're going to begin to draw the first eye. For the outline of the eyes, we're going to draw two lines. The top line will be bolder than the one on the bottom, so let's go ahead and draw a small bold line right here. And we'll draw a smaller, thinner line right below. Now to make the outline of the actual eye, we're going to use two curved lines that look similar to C's on the inside here to connect the top to the bottom line. Additionally, on the inside of what we just drew, we're going to draw an even smaller circle along with two more small curved lines. If you're new to the channel, then I just want to say welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you're looking for more Turning Red drawing tutorials, then be sure to check out our Turning Red drawing tutorial playlist. For the next step, we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side that we just did on the left. Keep in mind that it's really important to make sure that both of the eyes are the same size. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, so you can pause the video and match our colors if you would like to. Nice, so far we're making great progress. Up to this point, we've drawn the eyes, the nose, along with the mouth. Now we're going to move over a little bit to the left, and we're going to begin to draw a simple C-like shape for the ear. Attached to the ear, we're going to draw a very small earring. Now at that point, we're going to begin to draw a long curved line that will go all the way around the face to help make the outline. Well done. Now on the inside of the ear that we previously drew, we're going to begin to add in a small little detail. You can just make a little squiggly line if you'd like to. Next, we're going to begin to draw the right ear by making a small backward C-like shape with a small design in the center, along with a small earring on the bottom. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this video a big like so other YouTube artists and fans of Turning Red can also learn how to draw Devon. So now we're pretty much done drawing the detail of the face. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the bottom outline of the hat. We're going to make a long curvy line that will extend all the way from the left ear, all the way over to the right. When I draw this line, there's going to be some curvy points and there's going to be some straight points, but right around the head, it's going to be a little bit more curvy than usual. If it gets a little tricky, if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you can catch up. And if you have already watched Turning Red, then be sure to comment your favorite character down below. Now since Devon's hair is curly, we won't be able to make it by using a simple curved line, we'll have to make it in pieces. So on the right hand side, we're going to begin to make the first piece. The hair that we draw will look similar to a cloud. Whoa, so far I'm really happy with how my drawing's coming along. Now let's move over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right. Now right beneath those two pieces of hair that we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw the two eyebrows of Devon, but they will not be positioned the same way. Well done, we're getting towards the end. Now for the next step, we're going to begin to draw the top piece of the hat, which will look similar to a slanted rectangle. So all over Devon's hat there's a camo design. We're going to add in this design together right now. You can add in as many or little of these shapes as you would like. Be sure to stick around until the very end because the coloring of this hat might be a little bit tricky. In total, I'm going to draw 4 more of these shapes in the top centerpiece, along with 2 more smaller shapes on each side piece. Nice! I'm really happy with how my drawing's turning out. Now let's move down below and let's add this design to the sides. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of Devon turned out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. If you'd like to help continue to grow our community, then be sure to give this video a big like, comment, and subscribe so you can see future videos. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.